Welcome to Mr. Kenyon's YouTube studio. This video is going to be more for beginners on the guitar. This is the secret to unlocking all the fretboard, and it is the two main bass strings. So you have your low E string and your A string, okay? Those are your two main bass strings. I mean, technically a D string is also a bass string, but it's mainly these two, okay? I refer to those as root 6 and root 5. So meaning if you play a chord or a scale starting on one of those strings, it's either going to start in the 6th string or the 5th string. That's what I mean by root 6 or root 5. Okay? So what you want to do is learn all the notes within an octave, the letter names of the notes, all the notes on the E string and the A string. So E, F, G. Just learn all the natural notes first. A, B, C, D, E. And then do the same thing with the A string notes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. You need to memorize that. So if I play this chord here, you can tell I'm playing an A chord because you can see my root note is on the 5th string. I'm sorry, on the 5th fret, the 6th string. Okay. If I did this here, I'm playing a chord that's based on the 5th string on the 7th fret, which is an E. And then you just learn the variations as far as chords, major, minor, and so forth. And then you do the same thing. If you're going to start a scale, you need to know where your root note is. So I know I'm playing a C major scale here because I'm starting on C. And so on and so forth. And this is the first step you need to take in order to really open up the fretboard to where you can play just about anywhere on the guitar, and you don't even really need a capo. So again, memorize all the notes from on the E string, your bass E string, low E string, and the A string, and then the notes that are sharp and flat. You need to know which ones don't have sharps and flats, because they all have sharps and flats in between except for B to C. B to C is only one fret. There's no B sharp or C flat. And then the other one is E to F. E to F is one fret, okay? There is no E sharp or F flat. So you got to learn that. You got to know that really well, and then learn the notes on those two strings, and that will start you off on the path to being able to play anywhere on the guitar. So that's it for today.